What is clavicle? The clavicle is a long bone. It supports the shoulder so that the arm can swing clearly away from the trunk. The clavicle transmits the weight of the limb to the sternum. The bone has cylindrical part called the shaft and two ends, lateral and medial. The shaft. The shaft is divisible into the lateral one-third and medial two-third. The lateral one-third of the shaft is flattened from above downwards. It has two borders, anterior and posterior. The anterior border is concave forward, the posterior border is convex backward. This part of the bone has two surfaces, superior and inferior. The superior surface is subcutaneous and the inferior surface present an elevation called the conoid tubercle and a ridge called trapezoid ridge. The medial two-thirds of the shaft is rounded and is said to have four surfaces. The anterior surface is convex forward, the posterior surface is smooth, the superior surface is rough in its medial part. The inferior surface has a rough oval impression at the medial end. The lateral half of the surface has a longitudinal subclavian groove. The nutrient foramen lies in the lateral end of the groove. Now let's see the lateral and medial ends. The lateral or acromial end is flattened from above downwards. It bears a facet that articulates with the acromion process of the scapula to form the acromion clavicular joint. The medial or sternal end is quadrangular and articulates with the clavicular notch of the manubrium sterni to form the sternoclavicular joint. The articular surface extends to the inferior aspect for the articulation with the first costal cartilage. Now, how will you determine the side? The side to which the clavicle belongs can be determined from the following characters. The lateral end is flat and the medial end is large and quadrilateral. The shaft is slightly curved so that it is convex forward in its medial two-third and concave forward in its lateral one-third. The inferior surface is grooved longitudinally in its middle one-third. Now tell the peculiarities of the clavicle. It is the only long bone that lies horizontally. It is subcutaneous throughout. It is the first bone to start ossify. It is the only long bone which ossifies in membrane. It is the only long bone which has two primary centers of ossification. It is generally said to have no medullary cavity, but this is not always true. It is occasionally pierced by middle supraclavicular nerve. How will you determine the sex? By the clavicle. In female, the clavicle is shorter, lighter, thinner, smoother, and less curved than in males. The midshaft circumference and the weight of the clavicle are reliable criteria for sexing the clavicle. In female, the lateral end of the clavicle is a little below the medial end. In male, the lateral end is either at the same level or slightly higher than the medial end.